Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. So the video that I'm going to be doing today is going to be a really quick, really easy unboxing of something that I purchased. And I kind of thought, well, why not? Yes, Misty's in here with me, sorry. So the video that I am going to be doing today is going to be something that I purchased, and I really don't know why I purchased it, but it just really intrigued me when I was on an app that I have. It's called Afterpay. I will be doing a dedicated video on that shortly. So with this app, pretty much you purchase something, you pay in installments of payments. They take it directly out of your checking account or your debit card or however you have it set up. That way you pay so much at a time and not have one big chunk of change taken out of your check. So the thing that I purchased is really, like I said, luxurious for me. This is, I don't know if you can tell right now, it says this is the KKW fragrance. So I did go buy this directly from her website. I did not buy it from Ulta. I didn't purchase it or anything like that. This came directly from her website, and I did pay for this myself. So I was like, I don't know why I wanted it, but I just did. So I've already tossed the package and stuff because I really wasn't sure if I was going to do a video on this or not. But I'm sitting here, I'm doing unboxings on my BoxyCharm and a couple other things I've got. So I was like, you know what, why not? It's still here, it's in the package. I've not used it. One of the girls at work did spray it on herself, and it smelled really fresh. It smelled amazing. So we'll just go ahead and jump on into the video. Now, if you look at it, it is a nude box, of course, that is her signature style. All of her makeup is packaged like this as well, so it's no surprise that her perfume is. So when you open the box, because you do, sorry, dang it, because you do open it like this right here, and it does come like this. If I can, there you go. So let me take this out. There. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's of course a crystal-like look. You just take and pull out the perfume, which looks like this. So of course, you know, it does look like a crystal. So that's what the packaging looks like. Now the actual perfume itself is like I said, it looks just like a crystal. And that's this one. The name of this is the Crystal Gardenia Citrus. I'll throw all this stuff away. Dang it. Anyway, you take the top off like this, I think. Okay. Which looks like this right here. And it is so, I wasn't used it. Oh my god. Y'all, it smells so good. And it got my mouth. Not even gonna lie, it don't taste good. So this does smell really good. And I will have the price link below because my phone's on charge and I don't have access to it right now because it's in the living room and I am in my beauty room filming today. So I love this. I really like the crystal look of it. It's really pretty. And something else that I was really kind of blown away with when I received it was the fact that you got this little package. It does say KKW fragrance. It's so hard to pick up on camera unless you hold it a certain way. That's one thing I don't like about it. So anyway, just put that back in there. You do get this little package. Now, I didn't know that they would send this with it, and I really liked it. So when I opened it up, it has little crystals in it. I don't know if can you all see or not. Now, this particular one did come with 3. I gave one to the girl that sits beside me at work because I felt like she needed it. Whatever. But they're really, really pretty if I can get them in focus. So they're really tiny, but they're really pretty. And I am keeping these as well. So the card that comes in it, it does say, Rose Quartz, the stone of love and emotional healing, enhances self-love and self-acceptance. We all could use this right now, I believe. or not everyone, but a lot of people can use this. So I am keeping this in the crystals. I will toss this, of course. I was just keeping it in the packaging. Actually, you know what? I will keep this box as well and probably keep this in here. Or put it, or fix it somehow, because I do have a, I don't know how to display it. It's a bad thing about it. Like, it won't stand up or anything with like my normal perfumes that I have, so I probably will, I'll have to figure something out. But anyway, yeah, I really like this, especially like with the sprayer and stuff like that. It's really fine. I hate to spray it, but I'll go ahead and do it. Because I see it, I mean, and it smells so good. And it's just, you know, I don't know. This is probably going to be one of my favorite ones. I do have, but yeah, anyway, I hope that you all enjoy this video. And if you don't care, please subscribe and share the video. Let me know what you all think of it. But I do want to thank you all so much for watching it. And I hope that you all have a great weekend. And I will see you later. Bye.